we had a war, but and we lost a lot of minorities. You know, in Vilnius you had 80 minorities. You know, it's so we always in Poland we always speak about, okay, we had the Germans, Jeep, no, gypsies sometimes, but generally in the towns, for example in Krakow, okay, we had the Germans, Russians, Jewish, Poland, and something, you know, and it's five. But in Vilnius, for example, we had the 80s. In Łódź, it was similar. So, who, you know, it's a question about who they are, you know, and it's amazing, you know, when you made research, you know, in Vilnius, you had the Eskimo people, for example, couple of tribes. It's amazing. So for me, I still live in this place, you know. So for me, war, you know, when I will use something that, okay, it's finish of something, you know, like people like to do something like that. So Germans, they are win, you know. For example, you know that okay, they kill everybody, so we think that we we don't have some past, you know, like or the past is not. Um, this what we have now, you know. For me it's some accident, you know, like but it's not cut, you know, like from because you still can feel, you know, a lot of things, you can find a lot of things here. So for me uh, it's some period, you know, the war is some period, but when my father survived when I was born, when people use that everything we lost during the war, so who am I, you know, like I'm a ghost or something like that, you know. It's so it's for me it's very important to find my space, you know, like I find this already, but when I was 25, so when I started play Jewish music, it was very important find some connection with the past, but mostly I wanted to prove, you know, for people, you know, who came to the clubs, that we have something more than monoculture country. And I know that we win, you know, with the Jewish culture and couple of cultures, because I made something with the gypsies, you know. People don't know too much about gypsies in Poland, but we had amazing tradition. And so for me I think it's a contemporary time, you know. It's not a revival, you know.